I'm sure you have seen all the spiral carousels on Instagram people are creating using Claude. But to create the designs in Claude, you need the paid version because the design option is only available for the paid users. But I don't want to pay Claude, so here's how I design my carousels for free.
What you have to do is go to Meta AI, and one thing in keep in mind that you don't need any kind of prompt for this. What you need is just your content for the carousel. I have already copied my content, so I just paste it here. Before pasting, mention this line, design a carousel for this and your content, and at the end for the design reference, I have added this. For this, what you have to do is just add at the rate and their username, and it will pop up here. Just select their name, and that's it. And give it to Meta AI. It's gonna take a few minutes. Now here you go. I designed the carousel, everything in just a few minutes. Now, if I want to edit this design and add a few more things, what I'll do is it's an HTML, so I can just download and add it in Canva. What I do is I take screenshot of each slide and upload them in Canva. And after that, I after uploading, I select the image, click on edit, and then I click on image and then click on this magic layer. Now I can edit each part of this carousel. I can delete or add new things. See, I can remove background, I can change font, I can change color, I can do everything.